Here's a great deal on a 2020 BMW 330i. With less than 4,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.